Get ready to be amazed. BC this you seriously need. See this is officially taking over the internet. Check her out if you love smart solutions. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed. BC this you seriously need. See this is officially taking over the internet.